Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. It's from Jason Carlson, and it's called, he calls himself J-Car on the tag, Kar99. But his YouTube channel is Jason Carlson. I'll leave a link in the description below. That's the key bidding. It's called Pied number 2. And I think I'm going to use a pick he sent me. This is one of his. And the reason I like this pick is because it reminds me of driftwood. You know, the stuff comes into the beach or down a stream. It's really cool looking. So let's see what we can do with this thing. I'm going to try holding it in my hand. I just see what we can get going here. If I can get on the pins, I'm not even. There we go. I think I got on a pin that time. I think I was turned the wrong way to be on the pins. Yeah, there it is. And we got an open. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take this rubber bandy thingy off, and as you can see, we're open. Got a key, I'll lock it back up. Let's get me a Bobby Keys board, and see about. Yep. There, come on. Come around. There you go. Oh, and I'll find that one in a little bit. It shot right off of there. Okay. That's got a pretty good sized gap back there. Let me break out a shim. If I can get one in. I got a rough edge on that end. There. Okay. And away we go. There we are. And there's our pins, all in there nice and snug. Rolls. Yeah, I'm gonna roll around. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's see. It looks like no modifications at the bottom. Oh, we gotta get this shim out the way. There we go. Get rid of that ugly thing. And let's take a look at what we got. Oh, standard in one. T-pin in 2 with a wafer, which would make it a. It would. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at how that came out. Normally that would be a drunken spool look to it, but I think it came out T-pin down and it's got a wafer above it. Where are you guys? I have to ask Jason, if you're watching, tell me how that one went in, buddy, because I'm trying to look around the camera here and trying to grab them just the way they came out. Oh, come on. Thank you. Okay, we're going to go in the back for the last one. Okay, there's another spool. All right. See if there's anything been done up top here. I don't see any mods in the top at all. None. Okay. So, this looks like what we have. I know some of these pins are upside down, but standard in one. I think that one was in like this. I'll have to look again when I do it. Had a spool and a small serrator and another spool. So that's what's in Pied number 2 by Jason Carlson, or as he's called, Kar99. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun. Bye, guys. Quick update for you. That wafer in number 2 was down below the T-pin, so it kind of made it a spool with a bottom piece, so yeah, that's the way that came out, like that. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.